The Kailash Mansarovar Yatra is set to resume after a gap of 5 years. It was halted first due to the COVID-19 pandemic and then due to the Galwan conflict and tensions at the line of actual control between India and China. About 750 pilgrims will travel to Tibet between June and August. WION is bringing you continuous coverage from Kailash Mansarovar. Take a look.
So our trekking is over. It was a small trek which we did, and essentially because of the low oxygen it was difficult to continue, but it was to get an experience of what it is like to do the entire parikrama of 52 kilometers, which is really tough in terms of your body movement, in terms of the oxygen presence at the high altitude, and of course the environment as well. But all in all, as we have been saying, the first set of Indian pilgrims have reached, and many of them are doing the parikrama, the Kora. In fact, we saw several locals as well doing the Kora as well, because remember, it's just not for Hindus but also for Buddhists, for Jains, and for born religion people who do the parikrama. And I saw many Tibetans, local people doing parikrama, while of course also braving their body in many ways. Many of them were doing parikrama on horses as well. Some I saw on bike as well, but essentially everyone is working towards one single mission, the mission of attaining that spiritual level, and being here is something that is truly divine, and doing the parikrama is altogether divine as well. But all in all, it is clearly for the Indian pilgrims an important moment, a moment that has come after a gap of 5 years. Remember that this entire pilgrimage was suspended for last 5 years, and because of that the pilgrimage could not take place. But many of them who I spoke to spoke about the tough conditions. I'm wearing this goggles primarily because of certain reason. The reason is the sun. The sun is quite harsh here. It can lead to sunburn. You need to wear a sunscreen, and essentially your eyes can become watery as well. So that is why I'm wearing this goggle, and of course speaking to the viewers. Siddhant Sibal for WION at the Kailash Mansarovar.
For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.